Hello everyone, welcome back to the Database Basics tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about optional zone. So the optional zone is the term referred to the reference to actions that can be specified in SQL when defining foreign key constraints. They dictate what happens to the related records in a child table when a recording in the parent table is deleted or updated. And there are four types of optional zone. We will go through all of them and also do the example with them. Now let's open the MySQL workbench and do something. But first, I will provide you the this SQL script in the link of the description below. You can get it by click on the link and scroll down to find the full example and copy them to your query tab. Okay, let's get firstly we will go to the cascade. First we will do the default. Okay, you can see here we have two tables. The parent table, the department table is the parent table of the employee, because we have a relationship of the department ID from the employees to the department ID in the department. Because of that, you cannot delete any row in the department before you delete all of relationship from the table employees. Okay, as you can see, we have two rows in the department with the department ID 1, 2, and 3, and all of them 1, 2, and 3 including in the employees table. So when you delete one row in the department, you will get an error. Let's do this. Delete the department ID equal 1 in the department table. Let's do it. Alright, you can see an error, cannot delete or update a parent row, like this. And when you use cascade to add the cascade, you can use on delete cascade like this, and you can use on update, because the optional zone use on update and delete action, and the cascade of the type of the optional zone you need to put here. Okay, the cascade delete when a record in the parent table is deleted. This means you delete one of row in the department. All related records in the child table are also deleted. That means on the related row, like when you delete the New York, the department HR, for example. So the HR has the department ID is 1, so that the row with the department ID 1 will be deleted also. So let's try it. Run, and you can see when you select the employees table, you can see Alice will disappear because the parent data of it was deleted, so it's also be deleted. Okay, that is the cascade. And the next, no action. No action will prevent the deletion of the parent record if they are related records in the child table. And yeah, it behaves like the default behavior. like default behavior. You can put a no action like this for the delete action and no action for the update action. And let's try it again. You can see the behavior is the same with the default behavior. Cannot delete or update the parent row like this. And the next one is set no. When a record in the parent table is deleted, the foraging key fields in related child record are set no. And the same with the update action. You can try it, change it to the set no, like this, and let's run it. Okay, now you can see Alice, which is department ID reference to the department ID 1 in the department table, because that department ID was deleted, so the department ID column of the row Alice will be set no. Okay, and another, you can set default like this. This means when a record in the parent table is deleted, the foraging key fields in the related child records are set to their default value. So to do that, you need to put default value for the field department ID. So when you delete it from the parent table, the value will be set to the default. But unfortunately, MySQL is not is a InnoDB, so we cannot use this optional zone. So we only use set node for this, not default. Okay, I think that's all for this video, and thank you for watching, and see you in next video.